What's the meaning of black butter? Black butter. Black butter.
Black butter. Black butter. The term black butter can refer to two different things. In some regions, it is a type of fruit spread made from cooking apples, sugar, and spices until it turns dark brown in color. This spread has a thick, sweet texture and is often used as a topping for bread or crackers. However, in other contexts, black butter is a derogatory term used to describe a person with dark skin. This latter usage is considered offensive and should be avoided. It's important to understand the context in which the term is being used before deciding what it means.